What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's 2 days after the invasion of Orlando. It's also 1 day after the invasion of Orlando rally. As you can hear from my voice, it's completely gone, which really means I had a good time. But in this video, I wanted to show you guys on what's to come in the following episodes of the behind the scenes. I also wanted to mention that we are working our hardest to be able to get the content out there. Just a reminder, we all have full-time jobs and we're working our hardest on making sure we're giving you the best content. So bear with us. There's going to be a window of opportunity where we're able to edit this movie for you guys, but just be patient, okay? And we promise it's going to be epic. The videographer we hired, Brennan Stofs, he is from Colorado. He's working a full-time job and also going to be editing the movie for the invasion of Orlando and also the rally video. From what I understand, it's going to be about 3 weeks, but you guys have to understand it takes a lot of time to clip these pieces together and to tell a story. It's not just a cinematic video, it's more of a storytelling video which we want to portray for you guys, because at the end of the day, a lot of you guys traveled thousands of miles, paid a lot of money to ship their cars, and also lost a few carbon fiber lips. So we want to take the time on making sure that this video, you can look back and be like, I was part of that. And in my behind the scenes videos, I want to be able to show you guys the ins and outs, a lot of the things that you don't see when we set these events up, and a lot of plan that goes in behind it. And all the good times, stressful times, you'll see it all. I also want to show you guys in a future video on how this happened. So stay tuned. Like I said, we have a lot to talk about. But enjoy the video. There's a couple clips that you're going to enjoy, and stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the next video.
I'm a freak, I'm an outcast, I'm a shadow. I stand with the lost souls, looking for a hustle. Got a pulse on the streets, I'm the one you won't look in the eye, no. Yeah, well, I could see what's headed for you down that road. And soon it's coming to take